Hi fine squad, welcome back. And if you're new here, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below to make it official, and on the notification bell just right beside it to get notified each time I post a new video. Alright, so I'm taking this concealer shade from this Kiss Beauty highlight and contour concealer palette, and I'm just applying it all over my eyelids, buffing it in and setting it with my LA Girl setting powder. This is going to serve as my eyeshadow base. Now this is a traditional wedding inspired makeup tutorial inspired by this beautiful autogele from @reina.empire on Instagram. She also makes beads, so you guys should totally check her out. She is so good and so efficient. Okay, so I'm using this pink shade as my transition color, excuse me, I don't know why I'm talking like this. I'm just applying it above my natural crease. Going in with this purple shade, I'm applying it just directly below the pink shade, but still above my natural crease. Now I'm taking that deep purple and I'm just going to work it into my crease, focusing on my crease, but at the same time still blending it out so that you can have a gradient effect. I'm taking this classic eyeshadow primer and a lip brush. Don't judge me guys, I just find it easier to do a cut crease look with this because it's easier for me to just create the shape I want, carve out the shape I want, and just fill the rest in with a dense brush. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe guys. Now I'm taking that deep purple and I'm just applying that to the outer corners of my eye. I'm going to pat it in, but I'm going to leave a little bit of space above and you'll see why very soon. Alright, so I'm taking that bright purple and I'm just applying it directly after the deep purple. Now I do this until I get to the lightest shade because I want a gradient effect. I want a seamless flow between the colors so that there's no demarcation whatsoever. Now taking that deep pink, I'm just applying it just directly after the purple. However, I'm going to go over it with another pink that looks exactly like that but has shimmers in it because I didn't just like the way this pink appeared on camera, or rather in person, so it just didn't come out right. Now I'm taking the bright pink and I'm just working it to the inner corners until I take the lightest pink shade and I'm just going to tap it in the inner corners of my eyes. So you can see the gradient effect from this bright pink to that deep purple. I'm going to go ahead and take this dark brown shade and I'm applying it to the outer edge of my eyes because I want to deepen the look a little bit. However, I'm going to go over it again with this deep purple because I do not want the purple to get totally misplaced in this whole look. So I'm cleaning the eyeshadow up with my angle brush and my concealer just so everything is smooth and sleek and sharp. Taking this USHAS heavy metal glitter eyeliner, I'm just going to apply it to the space that was left between the eyelids and the crease. Now guys, I'm sure you guys have seen me do this a lot of times. When I apply my highlighter to my brow bones, I just do it this way because I find that I get a more natural looking brow bone highlight and the highlighter shows up more. Now I'm taking the Zaron Face Definer Kit in PZ20 and I'm taking the highlight shade, applying it to my brow bones. I'm going to go over it with this nude shades from this palette. I'm just going to mix a bunch of them, apply over that, and then I'm going to go into my glow kit and apply I mixed all the highlighters, trust me, to apply it there. Blend it with my hands, went over it with the blending brush and did the eyeliner in a dramatic way. So guys, I love this glitter glue. I'm going to put their handle down below. It's by Ojuoge, it's a Nigerian brand, and I love lashes. You guys know that style is in Miami. So yeah, I'm using the primer I'm using is from Classic. I've had it for a long time, that's why you can't even see what's written on it again whatsoever. And I'm just going to use my classic HD foundation in HD04. You guys know I use this way too much, so I don't think I need to be explaining anymore. As you can see, I just used like 3 pumps, and you could see how it covered everything. I didn't even have to color correct, guys. Like nothing, everything just wow, boom, gone, disappeared. You know, I really like the foundation. So I'm just going over that with my Newborn Beauty blender, or rather Newborn Beauty sponge. It's also a Nigerian brand. I find that, you know, I prefer the way my face looks much like seamless, where my foundation application looks when I blend it with my beauty blender afterwards. So I took my LA Girl concealer in Fawn, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Basically the places that light hits your face. So that's where we are going to highlight, guys. In the meantime, hope you have clicked on that subscribe button and on the bell right beside it, and hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to share, guys, because our ministry has to grow. Now I'm just blending everything in with the same Newborn Beauty blender. Please don't judge me, guys. I've not washed my sponge in a while. I've been really busy. That's why. And I went over this highlight with another concealer from my Kiss Beauty highlight palette, just because I wanted to brighten up the look a little bit, like just directly underneath my eyes. If you notice, I didn't really drag it down, I just focused it directly underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to set the whole thing with my Sacha buttercup setting powder so that the concealer does not move. So are you looking for a sister? Show my love. She gets it color. She did wear designer. Are you looking for a sister? Oh, my love. By the way, guys, if you like this song, check the description box. The details of the song is going to be placed there. So I'm just doing a little bit of reverse contouring just so that my contour can be sharp. And now I'm taking the same Zaron face definer palette, and I'm taking the contour shade, and I'm just applying it to the hollows of my cheek to contour a bit and give me some cheekbones. And then to, you know, my forehead, my temples, cause yeah. And then the bridge of the nose, you know, you know how it is, just to hide something. Now I'm using my favorite brush from Black Radiance, and I'm just applying that to my cheekbones. Now I'm taking this Wetnwild eyeliner, and I'm just lining my eye. I went ahead to apply the colors I applied on my the dark brown to my bottom lash line, and I just went into this Cleof Cosmetic, it's a pressed glitter palette, and I just took that shade and I'm applying that to my tear ducts, just using that as the highlighter for today to my tear ducts, okay, because we are extra in Nigeria, we do not play. Now I'm just going with my Zaron Cosmetics face powder, compact powder in ZZ35. I'm not sure, I think it is. I'll put everything, all the products are going to be placed in the description box down below, and I'm just trying to like blend every single thing in properly. Sorry for the footage, guys, I don't know what happened though, it was too bright, I could not control it again. But you know, I'm just highlighting my face, my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose and my chin. You know, just the basic place. And you know me, I like to blend it out. I cannot not blend. Blending is important. So I just applied this Huda Beauty lip gloss, and I went over it with the one NYC lip gloss. It's a really shimmery gloss, but just a little bit over it because I didn't want my lips to be too matte and just brown like my face. So I hope you really like this tutorial. Please don't forget to comment down below, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Yes, I was running out.